Train your mind to see the good in everything. Train your mind to see the good in everything. The positivity is a choice. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thought. Very, very good morning to all the students. I hope you all are good at your home and you have done your work. This is Kumar Goro, your English educator. As you know, yesterday I have just taught you the most important part of the language. What is that? Do you know what is that? Yes, can you guess? That is sentence. Very good. The meaningful collection of words, that is called sentence. You all know about that. I hope you have done your work. First exercise I have given you as your homework and I hope you have done that. Very good. So I told you about the kinds of sentences. Yesterday I told you about the kinds of sentences. There are 5 kinds of sentences I told you. Yes. First it was declarative or assertive type of sentence. That is called declarative or assertive. It is kinds of statement when you want to say or express your ideas with the meaningful sense, that is called assertive or declarative type of sentence. Very good. So today we have to discuss about kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. First, declarative or assertive. It's over. It has been done yesterday. I hope you have understood about that and you have done your work related to this exercise. Second is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Do you know, students, what is interrogative sentence? Can you guess something about it? Yes? Yes, you have already done it in your previous classes. You can. Whenever you want to ask any question, your ideas related to any question, that is called interrogative kinds of sentence. Do you know about that? You can say that a sensible and meaningful group of words which is used to ask. Which is used to ask. That is called interrogative sentence. A sensible and meaningful group of words which is asked is called interrogative sentence. A sensible and meaningful group of words which is used to ask or which is asked is called interrogative sentence. Understood about that? Yes. Write down it. Please note down the definition of interrogative sentence. Have you noted, students? Very good. Yeah, you can guess the idea related to this example. You can say that any kind of example when you want to ask. Now you have to know the way you have to ask any question. What are the way and how many are there? There are how many kinds of way to ask the question? Can you guess? Yes, there are mainly two two types or two kinds of interrogative sentence. You have to study it. I hope you have done. You have to study about simple, interrogative, and double interrogative. But the way of asking any question, there may be four types, four kinds of that. First, we will discuss about the simple interrogative. In your book, you can see that the first part is simple interrogative of interrogative sentence. You can say that this simple interrogative is called yes, no type. As you can see, do you speak? Do you speak? Do is a helping verb. That's why it is called yes no type. Whenever you have to ask any question starting with helping verb, this will be yes no type of interrogative sentence. You have to also know about that double interrogative. You know what is double interrogative? Can you guess something about it? Yes, definitely. You can ask any kind of question with double interrogative. You know, whenever you ask any kind of question with related to any question words, do you know question words? What, where, why, when, these are called question words. These are called question words, etc. With the help of these question words, you can make double interrogative. As example, what do you speak? Here I have just noted do you speak, and here what do you speak? Do you speak? You can write here any noun. Do you speak English? And what do you speak? Look at the difference between two sentences. One is starting with helping verb and ends with question mark, and second is starting with question word, ends with question mark. Here you have to give an answer, but here you have to give an answer in yes no type. Understood? I hope you all have done. Very good. Note down it. You have 2 minutes. Write down. Have you noted, students? That's good. Now move to the next point of that. You have to make more example of this. Firstly, I just told you only 2 examples, but you have to make more, and you have to know something that is very important. In interrogative sentence, question mark at the end of the sentence is must. Understand? Question mark at the end of the sentence of interrogative sentence will be must. Good. You can note down it also. Then we have to know way of asking question. The kinds of interrogative sentence you have just noted, two kinds of. First is simple and second is double. But the way of asking question, it may be four types. First is yes no type, the way of yes no. Second is the way of question word, W type word. Third will be optional, and fourth is question tag. These two, simple and double, you have already done it. Now you have to know about the optional and question tag. Think about whenever you want to ask anything with option, when there is any option in the sentence, but it will be the question type. You have to ask, suppose you have to ask for water or cold drink. Do you want to ask, suppose you want to ask any kind of optional type of sentence, that is called optional interrogative sentence. Write down. Look at this example. Do you want to study or play? You can say that to play. Do you want to study or to play? Here you have to just select one option. You have to just make your choice, study or play. In this way, are you a doctor or cops? Here are two options, doctor or cops. Next will be will you get coffee or tea? Here you have to select coffee or tea. Will you get coffee or tea? Here is also two options, coffee or tea. You have to just make your choice. When there is option in the sentence, you have to know that this is optional interrogative sentence. Understood? That's good. Now question tag. Write down it. I hope you have done it. Now the last way of asking question, that is question tag. Do you know what is question tag? Whenever you ask any question with the help of statement, this type of, suppose he is a doctor Isn't he? He is a doctor, isn't he? It is very hot today, isn't it? This type of question will be question tag. The way of asking question, there are 4 types. In this way you can ask anything related to question tag, optional type, yes no type, and double with the help of interrogative words or question words. Understood, students? Very good. You can write down that this interrogative sentence is over. Now the next point of that will be imperative sentence. Note down it first, and you have to just do your homework related to this exercise, this sentence related to interrogative sentence. You have to do that. Clear? Very good. Tomorrow I'll see that. Have you noted? Yes. I hope you have done very well and you have understood that. Next is imperative sentence. Do you know what is imperative sentence? What is imperative sentence? Can you think about that? Yes, think. Just think about that. Yes, definitely. A sentence which contains commands, request, order, advise. Is called imperative sentence. Look at this. A sentence which contains command, request, order, advice is called imperative sentence. Do you know about that? Whenever you want to just request to anyone, or you want to make your order, that will be imperative sentence. As example, please write it fast. Look at this. Please write this fast. There is no subject, but you have to make your request. Please write it fast. There is no any subject, but subject is you. Subject is always will be you. You will be hidden here, and this part will be predicate of this sentence. Whenever you want to just select the subject and predicate in this sentence, you have to know your subject will be always you, that will be hidden, and then you have to select the predicate. Rest of the words of the sentence will be predicate, and then you can ask command, go to school and come fast. Look at this. Go to school and come fast. There are 2 verbs, which shows that this is a command type sentence. This is also called imperative sentence. In this imperative sentence, you will find out the command, request, order, advice. These are called with the meaningful sense will be imperative sentence. That's it. Very good. I hope you have understood that. Now, you have to know about the next part of this sentence will be optative sentence. It will be discussed tomorrow because you have to make your two exercise with the help of imperative as well as interrogative. You maintain your two exercise of your first chapter related to interrogative and imperative. Don't have to only enjoy only with your study. You have a proper time, a lot of time you have. Now you are enjoying at your home. That's important to first you have to do study. So please student, you have to make your note as well as you have to do all the exercises related to first interrogative and imperative. Okay? Anything you want to ask? If you want to ask, you can ask any type of question. You can just comment that. I'll see that and I'll give you the response of that. But don't forget to write my homework. You have to do that. Clear? Very good. So thank you very much. That's the end of the class today. Bye.